Yeah, so I'm running the same data. Okay, I'm running the same data, which is nothing but your which we have discussed in the previous video. Okay, so that means spark creation. Okay, reading the sample data and then reparting into 4, and then again filtering, and then grouping, and then count. Okay, so let me open the job. So this is with AQE and broadcast enabled. So AQE, what it do is it just collates the data. Okay, so that we're going to see. So let me give you the overview of that. So this is from 234. Okay, so the same structure it has created is scanning, okay, exchange, then hash aggregate, then exchange, okay, and then hash aggregate. Okay, so let me show you the jobs as well. So in the second job it will going to show you the, so in the second stop we stage we have scan, okay, and then exchange. Okay, and then on the third job we will going to have exchange, then exchange, if you are able to see that, right? This is, so earlier we were having that exchange, but now we are having shuffle query stage. Okay, so this is where the spark what it do, it will going to give you the coalescing of data. Okay, instead of creating a multiple partition, it will coalesce the small partition. And let me go back to the other stage job, the last job. Okay, if I look at the, so in this AQ enabled, what we have seen is the query shuffle query stage. Okay, and then this is the last job, and the last job what it was doing is same thing, AQ shuffle read, okay, to the right. And similarly, so let's look at the each stage. So 2 3 4, only 3 stages it has created, but in the earlier example what we have seen is it was going to create the till 17th, right? 16th, 3 to 2 to 16 stages were created without AQE. Okay, but this is not the case here. So let me quickly go to the SQL query data frame 234. Okay, so if I look at the second stage, let me quickly go to the second stage first. So if you see here in the second stage, okay, so in the second stage if you look at this, the scan has happened on the same stage, the filtration happened, and on the same stage the exchange has happened. Okay, so this is what the second stage rule is. And if I look at the second stage, which is nothing but it has created the same partition, and this is the right, it is doing 326 byte in this for 7 records. So same thing what we have seen it here. So for this second job, if I look at this second job, which is the scanning, okay, which is the scanning, and the second job it has created one partition, same way. One partition got created. This is one of the partition. I'll show you in the stage. So in the stage 2, okay, because we are talking about the second stage, it is writing the shuffle write as 326 byte. Okay, so this is the stage 2, and 326 byte has been written in one partition, same way. And in the fourth stage it has created 4 partition, repartitioning happened, and shuffle and write you can see from 326 to 506 byte. And seventh stage, last stage, there is only one partition, and shuffle read happened is 506 byte. So it has coalesced all the data without creating any multiple partitions. Okay, earlier we were seeing 100 partition and 75 partitions. So we will be having, let's see the final output. Yeah, so let's see the final output, because in the second stage it happened till here. Okay, till here, if you're able to see that, right? So in the second stage, number of partition were 4. Okay, 326 byte was created. This is the hash aggregate, nothing, same way. Let's talk about the exchange, which is the fourth stage. In the fourth stage, we have seen that 4 partitions were created. Sorry, this is the last stage. So 200 partitions were created. Okay, and we can still we can change the shuffle partition to 1. With that we have to configure, and then yeah, same way the 505s. So this is small and sorted, right? Instead of creating a multiple stage for exchange 7, so if you look at this exchange 7 or 6 or 7, there were so many stages got created, right? 3 to 16 for the same 506 byte. So this is creating only one partition, which we have seen just now, this one. Okay, and yeah, I mean, now we will going to see the shuffle read happened on the last stage, 7th stage, with one partition. So it read the 4. So before that it read the 4 block. That means the 4 partition were created, and then only the one partition got created. Partition data is 512 byte, and then the hash aggregate happened. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so AQ is shuffle read and shuffle write. Yeah, I think that explains everything. Thank you.